Can Wix send text messages? Yes, Wix can send text messages through its Wix automations and Wix inbox tools. This feature lets you automatically send SMS notifications to your customers for things like appointment reminders, booking confirmations, order updates, or follow ups. It's a great way to stay connected with your audience and make sure they never miss an important message from your business. You can set up SMS notifications in the Automations panel, where you choose a trigger. For example, when someone fills out a form, makes a purchase, or books an appointment. Once the trigger is activated, Wix sends a text message instantly or after a delay you set. These messages can include personalized details like customer names, booking dates, or order numbers to make communication feel more personal. Wix also integrates with third-party SMS services for expanded functionality, giving you more flexibility if you want to send promotional or marketing texts. This helps you combine emails, SMS, and automations into a single customer experience, all managed from your Wix dashboard. Sending text messages can improve customer satisfaction, boost engagement, and even increase repeat sales by keeping your brand top of mind in a simple, direct way. Wix makes the process easy, secure, and automatic. No coding or complicated setup required. If you'd like to test Wix for free without a credit card, click on the link in the description of this video.